Alright, I have a Dell G15 Gaming Notebook Model 5587 i7-8750H processor. I'm trying to fix it. I have taken it apart in the past. I recently took this laptop to a computer fix-it store, and they wanted to charge me about $600 to change out the motherboard. I was getting the blue screen very randomly, but it was happening more and more often. Apparently I need a new motherboard. I have upgraded the memory in the past, probably 2 years ago. This computer came with 8 gig. I upgraded to another 8 gigs, so it should be 16, but for some reason the system displays 24 gig, so I don't know what that's about. This computer does have 2 hard drives. Solid state hard drive, which is like 120 gig. That's just a memory stick. That's interesting how they do that now. I think I bought it in 2021 on clearance for like $500, which was a steal at the time, although it was a display model. So like 2 years after I had it, I had to replace the battery, which the computer shop also told me the battery needed to be replaced again because of bulging. So I see what they were talking about. Although this was not Dell brand battery, they cost like twice as much or something. I think I got this one for $20, so you get what you pay for. Yeah, this has 2 hard drives. It has a standard old hard drive. I think it's 2.5 inch they call it. Otherwise it's been a very good computer for video editing. That's what I use it for. I've not even played one game on it, believe it or not. Here is the box that I got with it. Yeah, this has dedicated graphics card, which I've tried other computers, and that is something you need for DaVinci Resolve program anyway. I'm guessing most editing programs these days. So they were going to charge me almost $600, so I found a used motherboard, i7, and I'm going to try and change it out now. No, it goes this way. Very easy to take apart. The back cover anyway. It's only one screw. I've had it cut apart a couple times, so actually there's some main tabs here. I marked those. I had those marked. And I get the computer back and I look at it, and it looks like the computer people actually broke a couple of the tabs a little bit. Like, come on, I even had them marked. Yeah, just one screw. That's pretty cool. So Dell seems to make these gaming computers very easy to upgrade the basics. Hard drives, memory, battery. Very easy, but the motherboard and the graphics processor, along with the graphics card, which is one unit on these. I believe that's how all laptops are. Don't quote me. So we're gonna try and take this apart now. It's gonna be a lot of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think that's another one. 14. And then we'll see where we go from there. So I'm going to do that, and we will see where we're at. You can see it's time for a good cleaning. The fans are starting to make a little noise, so that's obviously something that needs to be done anyways. Just nasty. I actually vacuumed this out or cleaned it out when I did the memory and the battery. They were going to charge me like $100 for the battery alone, or I think 80. Pretty sure I can get it for 40 or 50 new on eBay. It's kind of nice. They do label the plugins. Looks like hard drive, power LED. Don't know what that is. TP, KB. I think that's your network card. Learning as I go because I can't afford. Look at that, they even label the battery plug. Laid out pretty good if you ask me. That's what the next video will be, after I get out all these 14 or 15 screws. Okay, this laptop does come apart very easily. And they even make it so you can't lose the screw. It has a little clip on the back of it. How smart is that? So you can hear it clicking. That's as far as it comes apart. And you can see basically these clips, after you take it apart a few times, it does come apart easier. I remember the first time, boy, I could not get it apart. So I actually used a nail file. You kind of run it along the edges. They make tools for it, which I do not have. So basically, I remember the first time I had a heck of a time getting it apart. Now after being open like 3 or 4 times, it just comes apart very easy. Because the tabs are a little worn out, I guess. I don't think any are broke. Well, looks like there's supposed to be one there. And there's a big one that sits on the bottom. On this side, you can see it sticks past.